you feel like cheering up your old TV, this could be the answer you're looking for. This is an LED strip for putting behind your TV and giving it a bit more of a glow. It even comes with a remote control, so you don't have to get out the chair to turn it on and off. So in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing, see exactly what you get for your money, and we're going to do an install and see what she looks like in daylight and at night time, because we want to see how good or how bad it really is. So with that, let's get on with the video, shall we? Right, so the box is a little bit squashed actually, and this is how it turned up. Well, it turned up in another bag or box, and yeah, it looked like it had been squashed, so I'm hoping it's alright, but I haven't tried it. This is how it turned up, like I said. What else have I got in there? Anything? Oh, it's a remote. So is that it? So we have, oh, alcohol pads to clean in the area for you to stick it on, or stick this on. Good idea actually. Yeah, might use them on my glasses. We have, what is this? User manual. So it's SHOPLED. SHOPLED professionalism is the winner. User manual. Yeah, quite like that. Nice and simple, isn't it? Yeah, see? Clean off the area first before you stick it on, and then you've got double-sided and Bob's your uncle. So we will go through an installation. Remote control. Now this is a 3-metre one, I believe. Let me just double check, because I haven't actually read it anywhere, but I'm pretty sure it's a 3-metre one somewhere.
12 seconds later.
Yeah, 3 metres. Yeah, thought so. So remote control. So we have a range of different colours. We have a little pull-out for the actual battery to save it save it from wasting battery when not in use. And yeah, it's a basic remote control. Actually, I've got about, I'm not kidding you, I've got about 10 of these. Yeah, it's very basic remote control, but it should do the job. USB is a standard USB, so power only. So you need either a USB plug, which I think I've got a really good one at the back of my TV, or you could use a power bank. Yeah, it should work perfectly on a power bank. Right, does it have cut-off points? It does. Yes, it does. Let me remove this. Now, what do I mean by cut-off points? Say, for instance, it's too long and you want to make it shorter. You have little cut-off points. I'm going to show you in a second. Get this bit off. There you go. These bits here. So if I cut it there, you're going to get one light. So you don't want to cut it there. You cut it at the other end, all right? But basically, if you cut it where that strip is, yes, then anything this side of the strip will light up, and this end will be going in a bin. Or you can buy a connector. I do believe you can get connectors. So that is it. Double-sided on one side and the lights on the other. So with that, let's do the installation, shall we? So it's quite easy to set up. All you have to remember is make sure you give it a good clean first before you put the stickies on, and they are quite sticky as well. So yeah, very easy to do. Also, it says in the instructions 40 to 60 inch TVs. My TV's a 55 inch and it fitted perfectly. Yeah, virtually went all the way round, as you could see. No issues with that whatsoever. The other thing I liked about it was the remote. It has brightness adjustment. So if you want to turn the brightness down, you can. Also has flash, strobe, fade and smooth. And you can select your own colours as well. Also it has a white, which actually looks like a white as well. Nice bright white. And you can just turn it off if you don't want to use it. So during the day, you might want it turned off. And then in the evening, when you're going to be watching a big movie or something like that, you turn it back on again to give it a bit more atmosphere. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you're thinking about buying one of these or you bought one of these. And if you are thinking about buying one of these, check out my link in the video description. They are affiliated links, and you know, it does help the channel keep on growing. Doesn't cost you any more money also. So with that, if you did like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.